Go. Nice.
Aiden, what happened to Alex's car?
He got into a crash.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Was it? What was it? I think he just stopped working. Something. I don't know.
That's it.
That alien. It happened like maybe a year ago already. Maybe like 7, 8 months ago.
So he doesn't have no car now.
He was in the car from a friend. And then when he moved out with his girlfriend, they got like a Toyota or something. So now he has like a Toyota something. I don't know. He's using a car right now. He has that one. He said he might fix it and sell it. Yeah. I think, I don't know, but when he was on the highway, they randomly stopped working. Like it was the wheel didn't turn. And it just kept going straight. He had to like slow it down. It took him like 30 minutes to park. Like on the side, you know how there's emergency stuff? Yeah, it took him like so long to park, he couldn't park. So they had to tow it, and they had to, he just brought it back.
That makes a lot of noises too.
And this,
Fucking helicopter.
that's the problem with those cars, because they look cool, but then they break, it's over.
Yeah. I'm gonna change your radio. Okay, I'm gonna put one with Bluetooth and CD on it, and has USB. Tomorrow you're gonna come to his house, okay? Your daughter after work will come get you. No problem. If you cry, you're gonna stay home for the whole week. Okay, baby. Yeah, sorry.
The mice is gonna beat it when they get back. Stop crying.
Bobby, stop crying, mijo. Stop crying. What happened? Bobby, we're gonna come back and you're gonna find mice at home.